when you work a full day, coming home and cooking dinner isn't always easy. But we found a way to cook dinner quick, easy, and healthy. Takes a little prep work, but it can be done. Tonight we're going to make sort of a stir-fried rice kind of thing. We cooked the rice ahead of time, left it all day in the refrigerator to dry out. So now it's nice and dry and crumbly, and it should stir fry up really nice. The only thing I had to do when I came home was cut up the chicken, and then I soaked it down with a little hoisin sauce. So that'll give it a nice little sweet flavor. I like this a lot, so I put that on the chicken. And you know, we buy these stir-fry bags of vegetables, and makes it real easy. They've got broccoli, sugar snap peas, carrots, red peppers, water chestnuts, mushrooms, and cut baby corn. I love baby corn. So this makes it real easy to buy these from Wesley Farms, which I think is what, Costco? And then of course, you know, you got your eggs. Nothing to explain there. And then we're going to season it with a little garlic, sesame oil, and of course, no stir fry or fried rice is complete without soy sauce. So first thing I'm going to do is grab my oil, and I'm going to generously put that down right here. All right, and then the next thing I need to do is get my rice down here, and I'm just going to drop that down and listen to it sizzle. Stir it around, soak up some of that oil. It's going to help it fry it up a little bit. Now right now I've got the heat on high. All right. Now, what I want this to do is I want it to brown. I want it to crisp up. I want it to fry. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes just to get it brown on the other side. Then I'll flip it over, mix it around, stir it up, and then I'll do the other side. Now, one thing I forgot, and I do like, is a little bit of butter. So I'm going to run and get some butter, and I'm going to throw some of that in there. All right. And of course, every meal in this household gets a little gospel. Say your prayers and spread the gospel. All right, nice healthy coat. Mix that around a little bit. Get that butter melted down. Stir it around. Let it sit. Oh, hot. Get a little bit of this chicken going. I like the griddle really hot. Stir fry won't fry unless you turn your griddle on high. You don't fry unless the griddle's on high. Alright, now we'll put these vegetables started. Just a touch of the sesame sauce, sesame oil, and some soy sauce. Oh, that was good. That's really good. Being a plate. Sun beating down on me, it's hot, but I completed it. Ooh, it's hot in the bottom. Ooh, that's hot. All right, stir-fried rice. Easy, quick meal, as long as you got enough protein to finish it.